In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule reports in Zoho Analytics. This is a fantastic feature that enables you to automate the process of sending your reports, ensuring that everyone on your team stays updated without requiring you to manually distribute the reports each time. To get started, the first thing you need to do is open the specific view or dashboard in Zoho Analytics that you aim to automate. Whether it's a detailed report or an overview dashboard, make sure you're on the correct page. This is what you want to schedule and share with others. Once you've opened the desired report or dashboard, the next step is to access the email scheduling option. To do this, direct your attention to the menu at the top and click on the Share option. This will present you with a drop-down menu. Navigate your way to Email, and from there, select Schedule Email. Alternatively, depending on your version or interface preferences, you might find another option labeled Schedule this email. Either choice will take you to the scheduling dialog where you can begin setting up your report's automation. In the scheduling dialog, you have several options to configure, which let you tailor how and when your reports are distributed. You can start by specifying the recipients who need to receive these reports. Make sure you have their email addresses ready. Having the relevant stakeholders receive these reports automatically can greatly improve communication and efficiency within your team. After entering the email addresses, take a look at the frequency options. Zoho Analytics allows you to choose how often your reports are sent out, whether that's daily, weekly, or monthly. Think about the nature of your data and how often it changes to decide on the best frequency. Another important aspect to consider is the timing of your report distribution. Choose a time when your recipients are most likely to benefit from the report. For instance, if your office starts the day at 9 a.m., scheduling the report for slightly before start time ensures the fresh data is waiting for them as they begin their workday. If the time zone needs adjusting, there's an option to do so, which is particularly handy for teams working across different regions. After setting the frequency and time, there might be additional options such as the ability to include a custom message with your reports. Use this wisely to add context or highlight changes that may not be immediately obvious just from the data. Also, double-check the file format options and attachments to ensure compatibility with the recipient's systems. Lastly, don't forget to save your settings before exiting the dialog. You'll often find a Save or Confirm button at the bottom. Once everything is in order, your reports will be sent out according to your specified schedule. That's how you set up report scheduling in Zoho Analytics. This automated system not only saves you time, but also ensures that all necessary parties remain informed, enhancing overall productivity. Thanks for tuning in, and happy scheduling.